So do you want to make your Model Y different? Well, Tesbros has this kit here. It's paint protection film for your headlights down here and your driving lights, as well as the light bar. I picked it up in the smoke version. You can get it in clear or smoke, and I've installed it on this one, and it does come with one for the headlights. I haven't put it on. I like how this matches. It looks pretty good. I think if I were to put the one on here, this would look a lot darker, and I probably wouldn't like it. Plus, it will make the headlights not as bright. So I'm going to stick with just putting on the smoked driving lights and the light bar. The kit does come with 2 of these ones, so like if you do make a mistake, then you can install it. And then this is the right one. It just comes in a nice roll. I cut them out. So that's the film right there. You say it comes with everything you need. They provide a squeegee. They provide 2 bottles, one that says slip, one that says tack, and then there is some instructions and your slip solution, which will be your soap of some form. I've just completed PPF on my car here, and so I have my own slip solution and tack solution. I'm just using hot water. So I've installed this one. I'm going to go ahead and install this one. If you want a really good instruction video on how to install this, then go to DIY Wrap Club. He did a really good video. A couple people have had some other videos on the internet. One guy didn't even use slip solution, so I don't know how it turned out, but that didn't take too long. This is a fairly simple task, so I'm going to go ahead and I'll film installing this so you can see the difference. Should really only take about 10 minutes at most. Anyway, let's go ahead. So the first thing, we'd apply some slip solution. I already cleaned it with isopropanol. So we'll just wipe it down. Another layer of slip solution. And I'll just put a tack mark here so that I can pull it off. And then, so I've got this upside down. So this is the way it's going to go. If you lay it down above, it will stick to here. Again, make sure you get this nice and soaked, and it'll keep clean. And then we'll go ahead and install this. Oh, actually I do have it the wrong way. So this is the way. So you just got to make sure that the high part is over there. Okay, so we'll just pull this off. I like to make sure that if I inadvertently mess up, it's not going to stick to itself. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to lay this on there. Now the way this goes is you're going to tack it on one end and then tack it on the other, and then you're just going to level it out. So let's go ahead and we'll tack on this side here. Just using the heat from my hand to get it. So again, light strokes to start with, and then more aggressive strokes. Okay, go down to the other end. And there's about a 1/2 inch stretch here. and you would stretch all the way along. So what you want to do is pull out the wrinkles that you're going to get. Again, just hold it in place. There we go. And if you don't like how it's sitting, you can easily just pull it back up. So I went a little too far. And there we go. Yep. And now, because it's being stretched, it's pulling up. So we'll just pull it back down. Do it about the center. Make sure you put some slip solution on the outside so it'll rub, because this is kind of sticky rubber here, different than the squeegees I've used in the past. And then we'll pull this back down and okay. Put more solution. And then we'll just pull this down. There we go. And then don't squeegee into somewhere that you've sealed it off. I'll just go down like that. And I'm just holding it just to make sure that it doesn't move. There we go. I would normally use something like this. There we go, and then just tack it up. Again, I'm just using hot water. You could use alcohol, but really no need for that. This just seals the edges. There we go. And there you go. That's it there. I'm going to go ahead and install the other one on this side. Again, just watch the Tesbros video. Super easy to do. Again, I did this in a couple minutes. I'll put a link in the description for their product. It looks really well, and I like how it looks when the lights are off. When the lights are on, you can't really tell the difference between the two. Anyway, thanks for watching.